Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to patch a tire on a lawnmower. This will work for any tire, zero turn lawnmower, normal riding mower. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is jack it up. Then I'm going to put a jack stand under it so that I can remove the little hydraulic jack. Okay, so next, going to break the nuts loose on the wheel. For this I'm using 13/16 socket on an extension. The reason I was able to jack it up before I broke these nuts loose was because the transmission on these lawnmowers holds the wheel tight, holds it still so it won't rotate. Okay, we got it off. Now we need to find the hole. And I'm airing it up, of course, just to make finding the hole easier. I think I found it right there. Not sure how well you can see that, but I can feel the air coming out right there. Yep, that's the hole, alright. Okay, now that we found the hole, I'm going to get my tire tool kit. I just picked this up at Walmart. You should be able to find one. I'm going to open it up. There are instructions on the back if you need more information. Okay, so we're going to take this rasp tool and try to kind of insert it into our hole. And go up and down in the hole to kind of clean the hole out. Okay, so next you need to take one of your plugs, nice and sticky and gooey, and you need to insert it through here, which isn't always so easy to do. And you might want to wear some blue gloves for this so you don't get your hands sticky or get dirt and crap from your hands onto this plug. Okay, then you make sure you still know where your plug is. You don't want to lose it. Then you insert this into the plug, or into the hole, I mean, till it's about 2/3 of the way down. And then you pull it out really fast to cut the plug, I believe, in half. Like that. Then, you carefully cut it flush with the tire, as close as you can get without destroying your tire. Alright, and then you inflate your tire. Then you test the patched area for leaks. Alright, the way to test for a leak is you take some soapy water, you get it on there. If the water around it bubbles up, you know it's leaking. And I'm not seeing any bubbles forming, so I think it's pretty good. So that is how you patch a lawnmower tire. And you can use the same method for car tires, bike tires, trailer tires. Probably not bike tires though, those are tube. But you can use the same process for pretty much any tire. You might, if this had turned out to still be leaking when I was done, I would have to just repeat the process with the old patch still in there and keep going until it stops leaking. But it didn't bubble up the water at all, so that means it's done. Then you just put your tire back on and let it down from the jack. And that is how you patch a lawnmower tire. I just thought I'd show you guys what it does look like if it's bubbling up. Look at that. You can see it's leaking around the rim a little bit there. You can also see it up here. That's what it would look like if your tire were leaking around the patch.